Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll show you how to delete a demo account in MetaTrader 5, step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the MetaTrader 5 app on your phone or computer. Make sure you're logged in and can see the list of your accounts. Step 2. Tap or click on the 3 horizontal lines or settings icon in the corner, depending on your device. Step 3. Go to Accounts or Manage Accounts. This shows you all the demo and real accounts you've added. Step 4. Find the demo account you want to delete and tap and hold on mobile, or right-click on desktop. Step 5. Select Delete or Remove Account from the options. Confirm when prompted. Step 6. That's it. The demo account is now removed from your MetaTrader 5 app. You can still add it back later if needed. Note, this doesn't delete the account permanently from the broker's server. It just removes it from your local app. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.